Hello, boys and girls. I went for a nature walk and guess what? I found a lot of bugs. Today we're going to talk about bugs, how they look like, where they live, and maybe you can tell me which one is your favorite. I am going to tell you later on which one is mine. Now when the weather gets a little bit better, it's warmer outside, summer is coming, you will see a lot of bugs around us. Should we be scared of them? No, they're not scared of us. We should not be super scared of them, but we should leave them alone. We can just observe them or get the magnifying glass and see, or maybe glasses to look. All right, so we're going to start with our very cool story. It's called I Love Bugs. It's brought to us by Scholastic. Here you go. It's written by Philemon Sturgis and illustrated by Shari Halpern. Let's see what is the story about. Before we start, look at all those pictures. Those are different bugs. They look so different. Some of them can fly, some of them can crawl. For example, the dragonfly. Did you know, boys and girls, that the dragonflies were on the earth even before the dinosaurs? Did you know that? Did you know that the bee can lay more than 2,000 eggs per day? Did you know that butterfly can fly more than 12 miles per hour? It's really fast. Did you know that caterpillar is not scared of nobody because actually he stinks a little bit, so he scares others away? Did you know that spider? He has 8 legs. He can go really fast. Did you know also that the water bug actually can be on the surface? They know how of the water and not to be wet. They really know how to swim. But let's find out what else do we know. Bugs, bugs, bugs. I like bugs. There you go. Bugs that creep, bugs that crawl. See, some of them are creeping or crawling. This is the woolly. He is fuzzy. All right. Bugs that hop like a grasshopper or fly like a dragonfly. Very nice. I love to find them under rocks or watch them in the sky. See, some of them live under rocks, on the ground, under the ground. Very good. These bugs paddle. They know how to swim, I just told you. This one waves. Who is it? Spider. Very good. The spider can do the web. Some make honey. Bees. Some chew leaves. It's the caterpillar. He is always hungry, don't you know? Some bugs burrow underground like ants. They work really hard. Others swoop and buzz around. Very good. This one's like a bit of bark. His colors are almost like a tree, so he can be in the skies. This one's like a twig. He pretends he's a part of the tree. So it's really hard to spot them. You need to be super, super observant and careful. They buzz all summer long. Cicadas buzz all summer long. Crickets dance a jig right in the grass. I like bugs that blink at night or flutter around the back porch light. See, some really like the light, so they will be buzzing around it. Some of them make a light. You can spot them from the distance during nighttime. But this bug is the best of all. It's a ladybug. She likes to crawl. Is that a real ladybug? No, it's his sister. Bugs, bugs, bugs. I love bugs. See, the little boy likes all of them. See, especially sister. see, we have more pictures here. We have ants. Did you know, boys and girls, that ants can carry more than 20 times of their own weight? Did you know that? Did you know that ladybug sometimes can have more than 24 spots? 2 or 24, a lot of them. Did you know that the firefly attracts others by blinking in a special pattern? Very good. Did you know that this bug is a lady sister? Right? It's not the ladybug. Very good. So there's a lot of them, and you can tell that they look different, right? They have a different way of moving. Either they can crawl or they can fly, or some of them even know, like we learned before, that they can swim. So there's a lot of different bugs. Just like on Miss Martha's paper, I found a lot of them, and I have a lot of them on my wall as well. But I want to show you one more story. Here we have one more that says bugs, 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 just to give us an idea what other bugs are we looking for. Bugs, bugs, bugs. I want to see bugs. Where do you go when you want to see them? You will go on the grass, you will go look around, right? Maybe to the park, maybe to your yard. You can see them everywhere. Can you spot some that we just learned about? I'm pretty sure you can see them. Very good. You see ladybug, grasshopper, butterflies that flutter in the sky. I think most of us love butterflies the most, don't you think? They're beautiful, they have different colors, and they fly all around us, and we really, really like them. Spotted ladybug that goes creeping by. Do you like the ladybugs too? I like them. I like that they're red, and I like their spots. Do you remember from the other story how many spots they can have? 2 or 24, right? A lot of them. Friendly daddy, long legs that never bite. You see? Those are the spiders. They won't bite you. They just have a long legs. They look kind of funny, right? They pretend that they're super, super tall. Grasshoppers, hop, hop, hopping out of sight. This one is super silly. I wonder how far he can hop. We need to figure it out. A fuzzy caterpillar with tiny feet. That's how he moves. He's big, but he has a really tiny feet. Oh. Bees buzzing by flowers that smell so sweet, because bees really like the nectar from the flowers, right? That's how they make honey. Very good. A long line of ants that work so much. Ants are very good workers. They always march. Do you remember their song, our song? The ants were marching one by one. Hurrah, hurrah. Ha, I know you like that one. See, they're walking in one line. Very good. Roly-Poly bugs that curl up when you touch. They don't like to be touched. They're scared, so when you touch them, they turn into a ball. Very good. Bugs, bugs, bugs. I can see bugs all around me. Can you see them all, boys and girls? Yes, you can. Very good. This is actual bug size, you see? This is little bee, grasshopper, ant, caterpillar, ladybug, roly-poly, daddy long legs, and butterfly. Which one is the smallest, boys and girls? Which one do you think is the smallest? I think ladybug, roly-poly, and ant are the smallest one. Which one is the biggest? Yes, it is the butterfly. And I think the grasshopper. Very good. See? Here you go. Now, in our story, it tells us if they can fly, where do they live, how many legs they have, and do they sting? Let's find out. The butterflies, can he fly? Yes. Where does he live? Nearby the flowers. How many legs does he have? Look at the number. 6. Very good. Does he stink? No. How about the ladybugs? Can he fly? Yes. Where does he live? On plants. How many legs does he have? 6. Does he stink? No. How about Daddy Longlegs? Can he fly? No, he cannot. Where does he live? Where is the shadow when it's darker? That's where he likes it, in the corners. How many legs does he have? 8. Very good. Does he stink? No. How about Grasshopper? Can he fly? Yes, he can. Uh-oh, where does he live? In the tall, tall grass. How many legs does he have? 6. Help me out. Very good. Does he stink? No. How about Caterpillar? Can Caterpillar fly? No. Where does he live? He lives on twigs and leaves. How many legs he has? Oh my gosh. Between 6 to 16. A lot of them. Can he bite you? No. How about bee? Can bee fly? Yes. Where does Billy? Where is the bee's house? Nearby the flowers, right? How many legs the bee has? 6. And can the bee sting us? Yes. Yes, they can. How about ants? Can ants fly, boys and girls? No. Where do they live? Underground or in the ant hill, right? How many legs do they have? 6. Uh-oh. Can the ants bite and sting us? Yes, sometimes they can. How about Roly-Poly? Can Roly-Poly fly? No. Where does Roly-Poly live? Under rocks. How many legs Roly-Poly can have? Look, boys. It says 14 plus. That means more than 14 legs. Can Roly-Poly bite us, stink? No. So we learned today a lot about our bugs, right? Which one was your favorite, boys and girls? Let's find out. Maybe you can draw me a picture of your favorite bug, or maybe when you go for a nature walk again, you will look around to find them. Meanwhile, we are going to learn a little bit more and have some more activities, right? Okay, our first activity for you will be to color your bugs. Here we go. You can draw an ant and draw your favorite bug. That's something for you to do at home. And this one too, count them and write the numbers. So we have 1, 2 activities already to go along with. But this spider did not know how to make a pattern, so he really has to figure it out what colors are specific shapes. So make sure color matching shapes. Very good. I also have 2 activities for Pre-K3 and Pre-K4 students. Pre-K3 students, oh, you have a big job. Look, I have all those bugs with dots on them. You need to color them, cut them, and put them in the order. So first we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that correct? Yes, so that's your job. Pre-K4 students, you learn so much about bugs. What is wrong with this picture? Yeah, you are right. There's no second part of the bugs. So when you get this worksheet, please make sure you color and try to draw a second part of the bug. Let's see if we can match it. Can you do it? They can be the same or maybe a little bit silly. But I'm pretty sure all of you at some point went camping. And when you go camping, sometimes you meet mosquitoes. They're not the friendliest bugs at all. They bite and you know that. But when we go camping, where do we sleep? We sleep in a tent, right? So in your pockets, you will see a tent. You can cut it out and color. And also, you are going to see a worksheet with mosquitoes going into our sleeping bags or no. But they have a line, so you need to help them find you in your sleeping bag. Now, Miss Martha actually cut the bottom part, you see. I traced the way how mosquito will go into the bag, sleeping bag, and you can actually make a hole, slide it in. You see, here I am sleeping, and here is the mosquito who is coming inside my tent, and I would say, shoo, fly away, right? So you can practice with that one as well. And then very, very soon, boys and girls, we're going to learn a little bit more about bugs. But now, think about it. Which one was your favorite and why? Maybe you would like to draw a picture of your favorite one. Or when you go for a walk, you can look around. I will see you very soon. Make sure, do not let mosquito bite you. But use your eyes and see where they live, how they look like, and which one actually will be your favorite. I think it's going to be a butterfly, but maybe you like ants, or maybe you like Roly-Poly, or maybe the grasshopper. You let me know when I see you next time. And for now, I am going to take my bugs and put them back in the grass so they can play together. See you soon.